In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6543, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, does not judge people based on their outward appearance or their wealth. Instead, He observes and judges people's inward intention and their physical actions. The first thing to note is that a Muslim should always correct their intention when performing any deed, as Allah, the Exalted, will only reward them when they perform righteous deeds for His sake. Those who perform deeds for the sake of other people and things will be told to gain their reward from those who they acted for on Judgment Day, which will not be possible. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. In addition, this narration indicates the importance of equality in Islam. A person is not superior to others by worldly things such as their ethnicity or wealth. Even though many Muslims have erected these barriers, such as social castes and sex, thereby believing some are better than others, Islam has clearly rejected this concept and declared that, in this respect, all people are equal in the sight of Islam. The only thing which makes one Muslim superior to another is their piety, meaning how much they fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions and face destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 13.
Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
In addition, the main narration under discussion also indicates that women should not waste their time debating and arguing about their position in the world in respect to men. Instead, they must understand that superiority does not lie in copying or outdoing men. It only lies in sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should therefore busy themselves in obeying Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His rights and the rights of people, and not believe that something they possess or belong to will somehow save them from punishment. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6853, that the Muslim who lacks in righteous deeds, meaning the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, will not be increased in rank because of their lineage. In reality, this applies to all worldly things such as wealth, ethnicity, gender or social brotherhoods and castes. Finally, as Islam judges people based on their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, so should people. They must not deem others inferior to them or others based on worldly standards, as this often leads to pride and failing in fulfilling the rights of others, both of which lead to disaster in both worlds. The real status of a person is hidden, as one's intention is hidden from people, even if they can observe their actions. Therefore, it is foolish to look down upon others, as they may well be superior to them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.